I dey come. I dropped 4 pots for here now when I go buy water.
Oh, yeah?
Yes, sir.
You go there now.
Oh, Oga, wait, I beg. Now for that place I drop am. Oga, wait, wait. Oh, yeah, now.
Wait.
Check. Smoke will check.
Wait, first. No, just enter.
Yes, now, check the bag.
Everybody calm down. Make everybody calm down.
Most of your purse where
I keep my purse. I know wetin I dey talk now.
Who take the money now? Who take the purse? Now they talk.
I beg, make
the final word now.
money dey inside my purse, so.
But as this brush enter, no.
Everybody. You know they here.
Make una check this bag. Una check this bag.
How you go suspect this brush?
I no dey suspect am. I keep small purse.
I dey say make they check am inside my bag.
Nothing there inside the bag.
My see your bag.
Unless when we check the
see your bag. I can get it for work.
Okay, make they check my
Check the bag.
How can I just enter car? Can
open the bag? Wait, open and make we search am.
Wait, do not search my bag.
I don't search everybody.
Stop it.
Open up.
Where is this? That thing is not there.
Jesus Christ! What happened to you? Honey? What happened?
Baby. I was on my way.
You were on your way to where? What happened? Talk to me.
God, why me?
Honey, what happened? Were you in a fight?
God, why me? Hey.
What happened to you? What happened to you?
Hey.
No, going where?
This one you came to the shop now is to finish my mineral. Where?
Mineral? I'm not here to drink anything. I just feel like coming out and...
Welcome, suit yourself.
You see? Oh.
Sandra, what is wrong? Why are you crying? Calm down, talk to me. Why are you crying?
Listen. What is it?
What happened to my brother? Are you... Oh my God! How? Wait, how? Sandra! Okay.
Listen,
What is it?
It's Kelvin.
What happened to Kelvin?
What happened?
Sandra said that the police arrested him.
Arrested him? What did he do? Arrested for what?
They said they found him with human head and
What
other
are you
parts.
What are you saying? Hi! My enemies, they have succeeded.
Hey!
They succeeded! They succeeded!
Hey!
Hey! Oga CJ! Oga CJ! Hey! I just said that my son is not a ritualist! What are you saying? What kind of talk is that?
They caught Kevin with
tell me they have succeeded. It will not work for them. It will not work for them. They have succeeded. My son is not a ritualist.
Papa, you have to do something now.
Why are you running like that? Who is after you?
There's a big problem.
Problem what?
Hey, where are you going?
I'm going to meet in Jideka.
No. Leave Njideka. Come, let's go. Follow me.
Oh, Jenny. Jennifer, wait now. Jenny. Are you sure of that?
I said I was there. I was there when the call came in.
Hey! I don't believe it.
I believe it though. I believe it. It's true. You're welcome.
That's why you people are like this.
You're welcome. I'm gonna go down.
Okay. Okay.
Hey, hello, Mel.
What happened?
Kelvin Nduka's son was caught with human parts.
Yay!
Hello, man. So it's true.
Yes, so it's true.
But Papa, if Kelvin is not innocent of this accusation, so why haven't Ngene killed him?
Listen, there is this adage that said the way of men are not the way of gods. Ngene has her own way of killing her own debtors.
I said it. I was telling you people, but nobody were listening.
But by the way, who told you people this?
Papa, I was there when the wife called.
Are you sure? I'm sure. Papa, I don't believe this thing, no. I don't believe this story. There must be a mistake somewhere.
Don't believe it.
Kelvin of all people.
So, until they chop off your head.
Don't mind them.
Before you believe it.
Papa, we can story ad.
What is wrong with you?
Oh
We can story ad. I
wonder. Until you see it with your two eyes, that's when you will believe. I don't believe.
There must be a mistake somewhere.
Please don't mind this girl, I beg.
Kelvin. Yay!
Shono, dear man. Shono.
Sweetheart, you okay?
No.
Before you left earlier this morning, you answered a strange call. And when I tried to know what the problem is, you said nothing. And since you haven't been your usual self, what's the problem?
No problem at all. Posh, do you know I will never lie to you? I mean, if there's a problem, I will tell you. You'll be the first to know.
What about Daddy?
Daddy? At the shop. He's at the market. You know where your father is. Yes? Who is there? Hold on.
You're welcome.
Thank you. How are you? You're welcome.
Thank you. I'll be in my room.
Okay, darling. Huh? Get some rest, okay?
Sandra, what did you tell me on phone?
My husband was caught on his way back.
God, this is physical temptation. So where is he now?
Station. He's at the station. Oh.
Have you gone to see him?
Just coming back from there. What do I do?
What about his lawyer? Have you called his lawyer?
I have called his lawyer. Okay, what do I do? What do I do?
No, we need to do something. Yes. Wait, I have someone to call. Just hold on.
Finished.
Hold on. Just relax, okay? Everything will be fine.
Fine?
Call him. Yes. Hello?
Ritualist. He was caught in the city with another human head he caught, another human part, going to where he would do his ritual money. And we're caught 1 year. Ngenodo has vindicated us. My son is not found. Kevin used Shinedu, my son, who is learning trade under him, that is supposed to settle this year for money ritual. He is a ritualist. Kevin is a ritualist. He used Chinedu, my son, who is learning trade under him, that is supposed to settle this year for money ritual. Where Batana nonsense. He went to Ngenodo to swear an oath. Ngenodo has vindicated also. Kevin was caught in the city with another human head, another human part, going to where he will do ritual. Nduka's son, Iruka's son, is a ritualist. He was caught in the city with human head, another human parts, going to where he is doing his ritual money. Kevin used my son Chinedu for money ritual. Alusin Genode has vindicated us. Have you forgotten that he went to swear an oath?
No, I didn't.
Alusingenode has vindicated us. Kevin used my son Chinedu for money ritual. He used my son Chinedu for money ritual. A boy he was supposed to settle after serving him for 7 years in trade. After laboring for 7 years, human head and other human parts he caught to do ritual money. Alusingene has vindicated us. Oh, Kevin Nduka's son used my son Chinedu, who is learning trade under him that was supposed to settle this year for money ritual. Akana Chapanu Chinedu Acho. Alusingene has vindicated us. Oh, Kevin Nduka's son, Nkiru's son, is a ritualist. Oh, Kevin Nduka's son, Nkiru's son, used my son Chinedu for money ritual. A boy he was supposed to settle after 7 years of apprenticeship on the hill. Oh, mama! Oh, Kwani! Kevin is a ritualist. Oh, Kevin Bukano is a ritualist. Oh, he used an apprenticeship for money ritual. A boy that he was supposed to settle after 7 years of learning trade under him. He used him for money ritual. Akana Chopanu Chinedu Acho. Kevin went to swear an oath. Alusingene has vindicated us. Kevin was caught in the city with human head and other human parts he caught for money ritual. Go, 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 go. My son, who was learning trade under him, that he was supposed to settle after 7 years for money ritual. He went to swear an oath at Ngenodo shrine. Ngenodo has vindicated us.
No, leave me. Just leave me, please. Leave me now. Let me go to the city and kill him with my bare hands. Let me go there and kill him with my bare hands. What is all this?
Don't even think of it. Don't even think of it. Eh? What do you know? You want to go and fight Kevin? If you try it, Alusingene will turn against you and fight you. Yes. No one fights for Alusingene. No one fights for her. She has started something. Allow her to finish what she has.
No, Papa. No, Papa. Don't tell me that. Allow me to go to the city and kill him once and for all. What is all this? I don't like what Alusingene is doing. What is all this?
What do you know? Come, woman, talk to your son. You know the implications of what he wants to do. You know it.
No. Pico, Papa. Kaneke Maya. Pico. Ijim Chineke Biniwa Yoga. Ijimoba Yoga Kaneke Maya Nume Pico Kanam. You know.
What is all this?
Pico. Listen to what your father said. Please don't touch Kevin. Do not try it. If you do, I don't know what will become of you. Nobody fights for Alusingene. Nobody.
Then let her do it quite quick. Let her do the whole thing now. Let her do it sharp now. What is all this?
Oh, Mama, leave him. Leave him. Leave him. Why are you holding him? Nagaba. They are telling you something instead of you to learn. You are proving stubborn. Now you know you want to fight. Now you know you have strength to fight up here. Go and fight. Go and fight. Kill a win, Wachuku. Mike Tyson. Go and fight now. If you try me here, if you try me here, I won't get here for you.
Jomani, you're talking to me like that.
Why will I not? Why will I not? You don't have sense. Diabalo Okoko. I will light up. Why you see? Rubbish.
Did you call Sandra?
Yes, I did.
What did she say?
Same thing. She said Kevin is still in police custody.
Hey. What do we do? What kind of problem is this? I'm even confused. I don't know what to do. I don't even know what to say. Eh? Could you so good here?
Honestly, I don't know. I don't know.
Nine. What do we do? I'm confused.
Blessing.
Papa.
You have to get ready. Go and prepare so that you go to the city and find out what is happening. Eh? How could Kevin be caught with human parts? Eh? Go and find out what is going on. Because there must be a mix-up somewhere. Okay. Go and prepare. Let us know what is happening. Huh? An offspring of a lion cannot eat grass. It's not possible. Go and get ready, Mom.
Who is there? It's me. Come in.
How are you?
Who are you looking for?
My name is Chikube, and I work for your father, so... Is your mother around? Yes. Please call her for me. Okay.
Mommy! Someone is looking for you.
Chikube, good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm fine, Mom.
Please sit.
No, I'm fine, Mom. I'm fine here.
Why are you not at the shop? I mean, look at the time. Why are you here? Is everything okay?
Ma, I came to tell you that I don't want to continue with the job again.
Why? Did something happen at the market?
No, Ma. Ma, I want to do accounts for you. So I want to see you in the market tomorrow. Please. This is the key.
Wait. Even you. After all my husband has done for you, you've joined them in the market. You believed the rumor that my husband is a ritualist. Okay? That is why you're quitting. No problem. I'll be at the market. You can go.
Thank you.
Mom, I heard your voice. What is the problem? Why are you crying?
No, crying. No, I'm not crying. Come. I think something fell into my eyes. I'm not crying.
Who is that girl?
Oh, Chikube. She works for your daddy. Have you eaten something?
Please stop crying. Tell me, how did the police cut my brother with human parts?
Mistake! It was a mistake, oh, it was all a mistake.
Only if I had known, if I knew this was going to happen, if I had a glimpse, I wouldn't have allowed my husband to embark on this journey.
I don't understand. What journey are you talking about? You need to tell me everything you know, please.
Okay. We got back from the village where he went to take the oaths. 1 week later, my very good friend Oge visited. And she asked me how the whole thing was going. And I told her.
How are you? Thank you so much. How are you doing?
My dear. Your friend is going through a lot, so...
Sandra,
Have you guys gone to any native doctor to check if he's still alive?
Native doctor? Yes. No. We've been to 2 pastors. And they both gave us prayers and fasting. In fact, the last one gave us 1 week dry fasting and prayer. We're almost done. Yet no results.
That's the problem. After fasting and praying, believe me, if you go back there, they will tell you another one. My friend, I have a place that you can go. There's this place my husband knows very well. And the DBI is very good at his work. I will beg my husband to take your husband there. At least to check if he's still alive. Yes.
I've never been to one before, but if it's going to solve our problem, why not?
It's you. Believe me.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. So what do you have for me?
What do you want?
Anything. The wine.
I am fine. Today makes it 1 week that we went to Gene Shrine. And I can't wait at the last day so I can call my parents and tell them that I'm free.
Are you afraid?
No, I'm not.
Okay. Oge just left. I saw her off. And she suggested something. She asked if we've seen a native doctor. I told her we haven't. I'm a little skeptical about it, but she assured me that this one is powerful and it will be a final solution. And she also said she'll talk to her husband and he will take you there. That is, if you permit it.
Okay, when are we going?
You know, she just left. I have to wait for her to get home, talk to her husband, and then get back to us.
I can't wait to find out the truth. I'll continue to search for him till the last day.
Find him. Okay?
Tata shina ngwere kururo muranya ọnwa na-echala echigide ala mgbugbu walụ wagide ala ogbugbu menemene n'ọwa ụta chịrị ụma chikwasị ya n'okpurukpu okpurukpu awaye m n'ọwa ụta gbalagide jakori janja anya ite egbughị ọka ọ na-eme ya n'ukwu ọrịa n'ikwe kwere n'ikwe ịlawa ele ịlawara kwuru wara ododo yi onye nwa kwuru gaja awa ole oke agụ soro ụzọ n'ụzọ gara waka ntụrụkwakwa ejighị ike gbokwe kama ngoma ọhọ asị nje ụmụ agbala agara mbe ha na-esi na anyị ndị na nje ụmụ gbagara na-ekwugara ebe ihe na anyị nri o nwaanyị dị menyigoro ngodo egwugwu gara akpata aba anyara na mmuchi gara n'ala na-enya n'ọkụ gedegede. Hello! Kenneth.
Yes, Baba.
He is your friend.
Yes, Baba.
I know why you're here.
Yes, Baba.
You're welcome to Ogwe Shrine.
Thank you, Baba.
You're looking for your servant?
Yes, Baba.
Yes, Baba. Yes.
You're searching for a solution to know if he's still alive or not.
Baba, you're right. Yes. Yes.
We will do it.
Oh. Thank you, Baba.
We will find out if he's still alive or dead. But there are some items you need to provide.
Okay. Okay. What is it?
Human skull.
What?
Leg skeleton. Skeleton of a chameleon. And the front teeth of tigress.
Front teeth of a tigress. Ezago. Nkenwai for that matter. Baba, where do you expect me to get all these things from? Hey. Okay, can I at least give you the money to get them for me?
Your friend Kenneth knows where to get them. Ta shina gwere kururo murenya. Ọnwa na-echale chigidalo mgbugbu walo wagidalo gbugbu menemene n'ọwa ụta chịrị ụma chikwasị ya n'okpurukpu. Okpurukpu awaye mu n'ọwa ụta gbalagide jakori janjanye ite egbugo ka ọ na-eme ya n'ukwu. Renye kwekwere n'ikwe o. Hello!
Kenneth, what is this now? Eh? I never expected this. What are we talking about? Which one is human head? Your less skeleton, this one skeleton, that one teeth, cow. What's that now?
See, Kelvin, I brought you here. So relax yourself, stop panicking. Huh? You see all those things he mentioned there? All of them are in the market. I know where we can get them. So, where we can buy them is not a problem. We will buy them. Relax yourself. Let's leave here first. Let's leave here.
Kenneth. And Menyo Renyo. You can go very far.
Bro.
So you must go back and
Guy, don't worry, no matter what. Let's leave here first.
Honey, calm down. I thought you wanted to vindicate yourself.
Yes. But not this way. It seems you're not understanding what I'm saying. This I should bring human head skull, and other parts of the body. Do you understand?
Calm down, okay? Just calm down. You're not alone. Look, we are in this together. Or don't you want to know if he's still alive?
I want him to be alive, but not this way. Definitely not this way. I've sworn with the most dangerous deity.
Honey, please. You have to wipe away the shame from our family. Even if the deity vindicates you, our people, they will never believe you. They will think you must have done something with the deity. As an occultic person, they think you are. Honey, please.
We're talking about Isimado.
You bite.
Babe?
ready.
Yeah.
So, where are you meeting up with Kenneth?
No, he said he's not going, that he's going to somewhere very important. And he also said that he's going to send me the address. That whenever I come back, then we'll go to the native doctor together.
Okay. Are you going with your car?
No. I'm going with public transport.
Okay. It's going to go well. Oh, Joma. Honey, let me pray for you.
Okay, come on.
It won't take time. It's just a short prayer. Dear Lord in heaven, please protect my husband in Jesus' name.
Amen.
See, it didn't take time.
It's okay.
All right.
Take care of yourself.
Okay, call me.
Okay.
Oh God in heaven, please protect my husband.
I don't know why all this is happening to me. I don't know why this is happening to us. My husband is innocent. He can't even hurt a fly. I know how he bought his first car. He hustles, he works hard,
Sandra, we both believe that my brother is innocent. Listen to me, this is not the best time to cry. This is the time for us to come together and shame the devil. Please stop crying. I beg of you, stop crying, please. Please just stop crying, please. Sandra, please just stop.
My husband, no.
Sandra, please.
Okay. I wanted to go to the police station, and I was wondering if you would love to go with me.
Sure, I will. I will go with you. I will. Sandra, stop crying now. Stop. I don't like seeing you like this. Please stop crying. I beg you. Stop crying. Please, I beg you. Stop crying.
My husband is innocent. He's innocent.
Stop crying. Please stop crying.
Thank you, my love. I'll eat later, okay? Blessing, how is Mama and Papa?
They are fine. Brother, your wife has told me everything, but I want you to be strong. Please. Mama and Papa said I should tell you that they trust you, they believe you, that you should just be strong for everyone.
I'm going to be strong, okay? All I've done to prove myself innocent. God's no avail. Man proposes, God is for this.
This is my fault. This is all my fault. I am to be blamed here.
It's not your fault, my love. Yeah? You have to blame it on me. On me.
Talking about who to blame, I should be the one. Because I'm the one that brought up the suggestion.
Listen, it's not your fault. You don't have to blame yourself. You're not to be blamed, okay?
Okay, so hope you're not finding it difficult inside there.
All I do, I'm finding it very difficult, but it's my fate.
They have beaten you, right? They have beaten my husband.
It's okay, my love. It's okay, huh? It's okay.
It's not okay.
Very fine.
Please just be strong for
You
us.
should stop crying. Stop crying.
So sorry. Sorry, stop. Sandra, you're still crying. Sandra, please stop this already. The food is ready. Should I serve it? Even if it's a little.
Listen, how do you expect me to eat when my husband is in cell starving? Eh?
But we just took food to him.
I know my husband. He will not touch that food. He will starve. And the worst is that he cries like a baby. Wherever my husband is right now, I know he's crying. I can feel it. So I can't eat. If you want to eat, please go and eat. Sweetheart, go and eat your food. Oh.
Mommy, I'm not hungry. How do you expect her to be hungry when you're crying? Huh? Gosh. Let me get you something to eat.
I'm not hungry.
Please, just a little. Please. Oh.
Go and eat.
I'm not hungry too. I'm not hungry.
Don't worry. Do something like a Stand up and share for like that. I'm trying to put you through and you are still doing this.
Nkwike.
We anum koshi we ko
Come here.
Ujabago. Obanyego.
Hi, elders. Order from the king. You know, this thing happened in our kindred, and he has given me the power to announce that Nduka and his family have been ostracized from this community henceforth. And anybody sees cooperating or going near their house will be ostracized too.
One. That's correct. That is the best way to handle that matter. I've been expecting this announcement for a very long time now. Very long while. I mean, it should have come much earlier than this time.
Igwe said it at the right time. Yes, because now justice has been served.
Okay.
Udoka, go around the village and announce this to the people. Tell them that the king said that.
Noted. I'll just do that.
Now,
you cannot bend it.
Now you will have rest of mind.
Can you bend it?
If you
can't bend it.
Amangwa community get into you. Nduka and his family have been ostracized in this village. Everyone can go to Amangwa community get into you. Nduka and his family has been ostracized in this village. Who's calling for war? I don't know. Don't call for war. Manugada.
Why is your face like that?
Hi. Wow. The kind of insult I received today, I have never received such insult in my life before.
Wow.
Hey! As I was going to the market, I was greeting people. Nobody is answering my greeting. Nobody is returning my greeting. Nobody is even answering me. By the time I got to the market, nobody agreed to sell to me. Not even my customers that I know before. They were even dodging me, trying to hide. Nobody agreed to sell anything to me.
I had the same experience. I went out there. I met two elders, my kinsmen. They did not greet me. Neither did they answer my greetings. I had to come back. But does it mean you did not buy anything from the market?
Now, why are you asking me now? I told you nobody agreed to sell to me. Will I buy it from myself? I did not buy anything. Huh. The worst part is that there is no food in this house as it is now.
Don't worry. There's food in the house. There are some tubers of yam. You boil the yam and we use oil and eat it. So, I hope there's oil and salt in the house.
Yeah, we have that one.
No matter the amount of hunger in the jungle, the lion cannot eat grass. So we will use oil and salt to eat the yam. I'll go to Mbudi, the neighboring village, and buy what we need. There's no problem. We will overcome this.
It's like you're going out.
Yes, I'm going out. But the thing is doing me double-minded. I don't know, because the attitude our people are giving me now is somehow. But I'll still go. I'll still go.
Oh, temptation. If don't decide yet. You are in the state of confusion. Your temper is high. Pray to your God. Ask for more wisdom. This is temptation.
Papa Kevin.
If
Where are you going to?
I'm going for our 8th grade meeting. They are sharing our money today.
And you think they will allow you stay in that meeting with them?
Nai, what are you not saying? Why wouldn't they allow me? Is it not my money? They must give me my money. Once they give me my money, I will leave them. I have nothing to do with them, Biko.
Okay, go well.
Nai, please. If anybody wants to buy something, help me and sell. I'm going.
That is if they will come to buy.
Temptation, I carry go my troubles everywhere. Sabu, I carry go my room. I'm where she can see. Temptation, hey, yeah, troubles everywhere. Temptation, hey, yeah, troubles everywhere.
Is there any problem?
No. Why do you ask?
I noticed since yesterday you have not been yourself.
Ifunanya, are you not disturbed about the decision the community took against Ndoka and his family? Eh?
Disturbed? How? Why should I be disturbed? Eh? Why should I be disturbed about people who are reaping what they sow?
Even at that, they are still our relatives.
So? Wait till. So, this is it. You are bothered about them. Please, I want to go and eat. Should I bring your food?
No, I don't want.
Yay! You don't even want to eat.
Temptation, I carry go my troubles everywhere.
That you, Master Kevin Ndoka Ukafo, and others at large on the day of December 2nd, 2022, at number 10 Marco Street, within the jurisdiction of this honorable court, did conspire among yourselves to commit felony with legally possessing fresh human skull and body parts, and thereby committed an offense punishable under section 516